Hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Luke Yang, and I'm a 20-year sales, marketing, and growth expert, and I work with thousands of different companies, and I'm going to show you exactly how to grow your Google My Business rankings using a secret weapon, citations and SEO for your local business. If you're an IT, MSP, tech, B2B, a startup, or any local business trying to dominate the search results, then this is for you. Watch until the very end because I have a secret tip that I'm going to give you that's going to change your business. And I'll also give you access to the free report and guide that's going to show you how to do this a lot faster. So, part one, why Google My Business matters. Google My Business, or GMB, is a tool for boosting your local search presence. Getting the top of Google can bring you thousands of visitors and, more importantly, more leads and sales. But how do you rank higher? It's not just about setting it up, it's about citations and optimizing SEO. So let's dive in. First things first, make sure your Google My Business is fully filled out. This is basic but crucial. Google loves complete profiles. So to first begin, you want to visit business.google.com or type in Google, create or manage my business. If you already have an existing business profile, then you go and edit it and get it set up. But if you don't, then you click on here where it says add your business to Google. Then you type in your business name and it'll take you to the right steps. So pretty much the video today is really casual. It's a look over the shoulder, essentially more raw, uncut. If you guys like more of these style videos, then please let me know because these are going to be longer videos, but these are going to be in-depth tutorials that will go inside to show you what to do step by step. And if we make mistakes, oh well, we'll keep moving on. All right. So as I've shown you before, if you want to get on top of Google for example, IT services or med spa or your software or a technology company, then this is going to be really critical. And the key things that you want to do is going to be shared in this video here. And I have an example of a new business profile that I set up here that I'm going to go through step by step with you right now. So this is a company, IT, and software solution company that I'm creating a profile with you right here. So what you want to do is create the profile, edit the profile here. I'm going to go all the steps with you. So if you have any questions, feel free to leave any comments and we'll have more information on future videos, but you can rewatch this video over and over. So you want to add your business name on here. As you can see here, it has the business name and it also has the main core services. I recommend doing this, especially if you're attracting clients for these key core services, products, and solutions. Of course, you know, Google and some search engines, they want you to just have your name. But if you have your name and what your name represents, what type of service solution that you have represents, it's going to give you a higher chance of getting found on Google. And so that's that. And then the next part is the business category. So you can fill this out as many as they allow you to. So you can do software company, you can do consultant, you can do technical solutions, whatever fits your business, add that in. After the category, you want to enter a description. Key tip is you want to use something that you're going to use consistently for other profiles, for other citations that's going to use on Yahoo, on Yelp, on other directory sites. So you want to use this, be very consistent in what you're doing. So here's an example of what I created. And for example, the description here is Grow Tech, empowering St. Paul and Minneapolis with innovative IT solutions. Discover GrowTech, the premier provider of innovative IT solutions in St. Paul and Minneapolis, with expertise in software development, cloud computing, cybersecurity, strategic IT consultant. We empower businesses to thrive in this dynamic region. Our dedicated team understands the unique needs of companies in St. Paul and Minneapolis. We deliver tailored solutions that drive efficiency and productivity. Whether you require custom software, seamless integration, cybersecurity measures, or strategic IT guidance, we have you covered. With a commitment to exceptional results and client satisfaction, we go above and beyond for your partners. So you can put whatever you want in here. It gives you about 750 character limit on here. You can also get suggested description on here as well. And if you're used to using ChatGPT, you can type in a variation that you have. You give it the prompts that you want it under 750, and you want to really focus on keyword optimization. So as you see here, we're targeting St. Paul, we're targeting Minneapolis, we're targeting IT, MSPs, software solutions, cybersecurity, cloud computing, different things like that. So you want to do the same for your type of business, whatever it is and whatever you focus on. And for your opening date, put an opening date that is right for you. For example, on here, I can just essentially say 2020. We opened in April 10th, 2020, and save it. There you go. So then you can have your time, your date, that you were open, you were in business. Maybe you opened in 1980, 1995, whatever it is. And then have your contact number, of course. You can add also multiple phone numbers that you have on here as well. And then also, what you want to have is your website. So you can have your website or you can have your landing page that you want for your business. You can also add, after that, you add your social profiles on here. So you can add LinkedIn, you can add Pinterest, TikTok, Twitter, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. You cut and paste the address on here, and then you add another social profile. Okay. The goal is to fill out these as much as you can. So I'll just put an example on here. So LinkedIn, let's just say linkedin.com and yeah, but you want to put your actual business profile on here, and this is what it's going to look like. Go. So I'm gonna trash this one, but that's how you do it. And then business locations. So business locations. So this will actually show your business address to other customers. So if you want them, so if you want customers to visit your business and add an address, then adjust the pin on the map to its location. And this is going to show them where to reach you. But if you don't want to do that and you just want other service areas, then you could put that below here and you'll still show up in those areas depending on where you search. A key pro tip on here as well for the service areas is focus on the key main metro markets that you do business. So look on the map, type in all the areas that you do business. So for example, this is Twin Cities, Minnesota. So here I'm going to break it down. So we put in Eagan, Edina, St. Paul, Plymouth, Shakopee, Woodbury, Lakeville, Maplewood, Burnsville, Chanhassen, Minnetonka, Bloomington, Maple Grove, Minneapolis, Eden Prairie, Brooklyn Park, St. Louis Park, Wayzata, White Bear Lake, Apple Valley. We put in all these key core areas that we do business, whether it's affluent area, high-end area, a main core area for business office parks, whatever's the best area for you to reach your customers and where you want to do business. That's the key. And then the business hours. Put in the hours of business that you're open. Whether if you're closed on certain days, like on Sunday, if you're open on the weekends, if you're open 24 hours, you can also put that on there as well. If you have a help desk where people can call, you can also add special hours on here. So here's an example. So Monday through Friday, Sunday through Saturday. Okay. And then you can add also more hours on here. This is probably good for like restaurants and different business like that when they're open for breakfast, brunch, dinner time, service hours, different things like that. Or a med spa and different local type of businesses. And then you could also add more information from your business. So here's what it says. So from your business, let customers know more about your business by showing attributes of your business profile. These may appear publicly on search, maps, and other Google services. If you're not the owner, confirm with the owner before adding these attributes. So here's some examples. So are you identified as Asian owned? Do you identify as Black owned? Identify as disabled? Do you identify as indigenous owned, Latino owned, LGBTQ owned, veteran owned, and women owned? And I have to also give you a pro tip as well with this is the more that you have um, you, that relate to your audience, that will also entice them to do business with you. So for example, if you're Latino owned and you speak Spanish, well, someone who speaks Spanish is probably going to want to work with you as opposed to someone else. So you'll be found in those search results because they might have a language barrier. Or if they're veteran owned, they want to also support other veterans. They want to do business with you, or women owned, or a combination of many of these. Okay. And crowd. Let customers know more about your business by showing attributes. There you go. And planning. Let customers know about your business by showing other attributes of business profile. Planning. Appointment required. Yes or no. Service options. Okay. So do you offer online appointments? Yes or no. Language assistance, like we were just talking about. Sign language, Arabic, Cantonese, English, Filipino, French, German, Haitian, Creole, Hindi, Italian, Korean, Mandarin, Polish, Portuguese, Romanian, Russian, Spanish, Ukrainian, Vietnamese. You can also put all these in there. Okay, so that's a quick overview on the business information. And if you have more questions, please rewatch these parts. The point of this is to go over some of these specific areas so that you can fully develop and fill out your business profile. So let's move on to the next section. Photos. So on here, you want to add a custom photo for your cover photo that will represent your business. Something I recommend is something that will stand out, that attract your target audience, lets them know more about you, and could even have some other contact information on there or call to action. Add your logo on here. Let customers see your business, identify you when your posts and photos for your reviews. And then also add key things about your business. So if you have images that are around cloud computing, cybersecurity, IT help desk, or software technology, biotechnology, like I said, if you're a med spa, do you do what type of procedures? Have pictures of the city you're working in. Yeah. Industry related awards, different things like that. So the more that you fill out, the better for you. And then I'll show you what these other things have on here. So add services. So you want to add as many as possible as well that they can allow you to fill up. So for IT services, we added application development, big data and consulting implementation, data center management, data quality management, enterprise software development, IT consulting, mobile app development, platform consulting, security services management, software consulting, software development outsourcing, solution consulting. So you can add these custom services as well that they might not have on here. So the more, the better, because when people are typing in Google and the search engines to find you, you want to be found for what you're offering. Okay, let's move on to the next section. Products. You can also add specific products if this makes sense. Add products to your business profile and show what you have in stock. This makes more sense, like for example, like a furniture store or different things like that. But for example, IT, and software. Maybe you offer computers. What type of computers do you have? Do you have Dell, HP, Panasonic, Samsung, whatever you might have, laptops, desktops, different things like that. You can add that into your product section. Now, let's go in bookings. So you can set up bookings by making it easier for customers to book online. So choose the options that best fit you. So you can have a featured book button, which prominently displays a button on top of your profile to let customers book with you and your preferred providers. So this can integrate with Google products, so you can get started with that. Or you can also link to your online booking tools to let customers book directly through your custom links to your online booking pages. These are quick and easy to set up and displays your custom links. So that's how you set up a booking. You can also set up question and answer section. So you can ask questions and answer them on here. So posts may appear publicly. Okay. So ask a question to get advice from the owner and a broader community. So you can click on that and post where people can ask questions. And here you can add an update. So you can add an update, post updates to your customers on Google. You can put that there. You can put a photo, description, a button. You can have call me now, sign up, learn more, buy, order, our book. And you can preview that, how that looks. And you can also create an offer. Add an offer, create an offer, and attract customers to your business. Same thing here. You can add the photo of the offer title, the discount, for example, 20% off new computers or free consultation, the start date, the end date, more details on the offer, the coupon code optional, link to redeem the offer, and any terms and conditions. You can post that. And you can add an event. Let customers know more about events that you're hosting. So add an image of the event or flyer. Add the event title, the start date, start time, end date, end time, the event details, and then also add the button for them to learn more. So that's how you can add an event. Okay. And also, let me take you to the reviews. So you can read the reviews. So since this is a brand new profile, you have no reviews, but what you can do to get reviews is you can give customers a link to review your business. So these reviews help build trust and help your business profile stand out to customers on search and maps. So you can copy this and email them, send it to WhatsApp, send it to Facebook, text message them, and you can ask for reviews. And that's how you can build up your review profile. Okay. And there is essentially an overall summary tutorial step by step on how to create and build an Google My Business profile. So when people are looking on the Google Maps, looking on Google Search, they can find your business. Like here, they can find your business, they can click onto it, they can read the reviews, see the images, know where your location is, see the hours of operation, and then contact you. That's ideally the goal. So hopefully you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, go back to the sections I just went over. But it usually takes a really fast approval process. It usually takes sometimes instantly, or it used to in the past take about a week to 2 weeks for them to send you a postcard, but Google is always changing things up all the time. So make sure you have the correct phone number on here, the location, the address, the hours of operation, and make sure these are all consistent with your other profiles on Yelp, on Yahoo, on these other local search directories. Okay. And so, for example, when people are typing in IT and software services in Minneapolis, St. Paul, Minnesota, or Chicago, or Los Angeles, or Albuquerque, New Mexico, or you know, anywhere, Denver, Colorado, your information shows up. And it doesn't matter if it's for IT services, medical spas, wellness spas, biotechnology. Here's some things we did for SEO for unemployment insurance software for the government space, where I helped them rank essentially number one in multiple keywords. This is the goal, because if you can get on here and you can land those 6, 7, 8, and for this company, they land 8 and 9-figure government contracts, that will be crucial for your business. But it all starts with getting the basics set up. So all you got to do is set up your business profile, update the information, do on-page, off-page, backlinking, different things like that. And before you know it, you'll be on the top page in Google when people are looking for you, and they're going to want to do business with you and reach out to you. And that's how you build authority, high visibility, be found for your industry. And once again, my name is Luca Yang. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out. I'm going to probably make more longer extended tutorials like this for people who need help, because I have a lot of people who come asking for help all the time. And so I'll create more of these to help you guys out. If you want to see other type of videos and other type of services and solutions, please feel free to reach out to me and my team. Part 3, the power of citations. Now, citations are where most people fall short. Citations are mentions of your business information on other websites, and they play a huge critical role in helping you rank higher on Google. Head to directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and industry-related directories like Clutch or TechCrunch for tech companies. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are exactly the same as your Google My Business profile, so consistency is the key. Part 4, secret tip number 1, local citations. Secret tip number 1, get local citations. These are from local business directories and news sites in your city or industry. Google values this because it makes your business look more authoritative in your specific area. Start with well-known ones like Yelp, Foursquare, Facebook, Apple Maps, and local business directories. Use a tool like WhiteSpark or Bright Local to find more local citation opportunities. Part 5, secret tip number 2, boost your reviews. Having consistent, high-quality reviews tells Google you're a trusted business. Ask satisfied customers to leave detailed reviews mentioning your services. Reply to every review, positive or negative, using keywords naturally. Part 6, optimizing on-page SEO. Now that your citations are building your authority, don't forget about on-page SEO. Optimize your website's meta title and description with relevant keywords like top IT services in your city. Use schema markup to tell Google about your business. Create local-based landing pages targeting different areas or services. And here's a pro tip. Use Google Search Console to track your performance and see what keywords people are searching for. Adjust your site's content based on this data. Part 7, secret tip number 3, get backlinks from local and industry-specific websites. Partner with other local businesses or blogs to get your links to your site. This shows Google your business is credible in the community. Get featured in local news or tech magazines, sponsor local events, or write guest blog posts on industry sites. To recap, fill out your Google My Business profile completely, get your citations consistent, boost your reviews, optimize your on-page SEO, and build local backlinks. These steps can push you to the top of Google and get you more clients. If this video helped you, then hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and watch more videos of our actionable tips to grow your business. If you like more of these style videos, please comment below or share what you would like to learn more about. And if you need more hands-on help, feel free to contact me and my team, and we'd love to help you get ranked. Thank you.